Today, I'm going to state the developments that are taking place in Delhi, our national capital. As we all know, last year in the month of February, Aam Aadmi Party formed their government in Delhi. Right from then till now, massive developments are taking place in Delhi. If I state all the achievements, it would take me more than 2 hours. That's the reason, quickly and briefly, I'll state their major achievements. First thing, regarding corruption. Up to 8th June 2015, corruption was reduced by more than 50% in Delhi. 35 officers were arrested and 152 officers were suspended. But on 8th June 2015, Centre took over anti-corruption branch. As promised before elections, Jan Lokpal bill was passed by Delhi Assembly, but it is not yet approved by the centre for obvious reasons. They suspended and exposed their own minister who demanded 6 lakh rupees as bribe. Right from independence till now, it's happened for the first time that a party has exposed and suspended their own minister. Regarding electricity, they reduced electricity rates by 50% in Delhi. Now some people say that they gave a subsidy and they are playing subsidy politics. This is not called subsidy politics. In the year 2014, when they first came to power, they had ordered a CAG audit. In the CAG audit report, it has been stated that the power distribution companies in Delhi have inflated the rates. They have additionally charged 8,000 crore rupees from the people of Delhi, and that's the reason the subsidy was necessary. Now regarding water, 20,000 liters of free water is provided monthly to each and every family. Now some great economists used to say that if they provide 20,000 liters of free water monthly, then the Delhi Jal Board revenue will decrease and people will start wasting water. But what is the reality? The reality is that the Delhi Jal Board revenue increased by 170 crores and people started saving water. You will be shocked to know that 4 million gallons of water has been saved per day. Now, you must be wondering, if they are providing 20,000 liters of free water, how is that the revenue is increasing and people are saving water? That's because their policy is very simple. If we use up to 20,000 liters of water, then it's completely free. But if we use about 20,000 liters of water, we have to pay for the entire amount. And that's the reason people started saving water. And their revenue increased because corruption reduced. Now regarding health sectors, 100 Mohalla clinics are already operational in the national capital. In these Mohalla clinics, 212 tests are conducted, which are all completely free. Tests are free, checkups are free, and medicines are free. Another 1,000 Mohalla clinics will be constructed by January next year. These Mohalla clinics are appreciated worldwide. One of the Washington Post stated that America should learn from Delhi's Mohalla clinics. Now this is a great achievement for us because America is learning from us. Regarding polyclinics, 22 polyclinics are operational in Delhi, which are all better than the private ones. Thousands of people across the nation cannot afford medicines, and that's the reason in Delhi, free medicines are provided across Delhi in all government hospitals. As per law, if any private hospital gets subsidized land from the government, they have to compulsory treat 10% of their patients should be poor and they should treat them free of cost. But in reality, that does not happen. And that's the reason in Delhi, 5 private hospitals have been fined 600 crore rupees for not treating the poor. Regarding infrastructure, we all know that a 450 crore flyover will be constructed in 1,000 crore rupees. But for the first time in our nation's history, it has happened that a 450 crore flyover has been constructed in the mere amount of 300 crores. Totally, they have saved more than 450 crores in the construction of 5 flyovers. This amount which has been saved is been utilized to provide free medicines across the national capital. 525 families from slum have been accommodated into flats. Now regarding education, 8,000 new classrooms and 45 new schools have been constructed, and these schools are equivalent to the private schools. New colleges have been constructed which are better than the private ones. Teachers, lecturers and principals have been sent to Oxford, Cambridge, Harvard and IITs for training. Education loan without any collateral security up to 10 lakhs is provided to Delhi students. Now regarding compensation, we all know thousands of farmers commit suicide every year in our nation due to crop damage. That's the reason in Delhi, the government is providing 20,000 rupees per acre as compensation. This compensation is the highest in our nation. If any Delhi police officer or if any paramilitary forces lose their life during their duty, then Delhi state government provides 1 crore compensation to their families. This way, several massive developments are taking place in Delhi. My primary goal to make this video is not just to highlight the achievements in Delhi, but as a citizen, it's my cherished desire that such developments, such good governance and such administration should take place in every village, every district and every state of our nation. And I'm sure one day it will certainly happen and our nation will be a superpower. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.